Today, I'll show you how to create Google Ads discovery campaigns. First, it's important to know that Google discovery campaigns have been upgraded into demand gen campaigns. Google describes demand gen as the next generation of discovery campaigns, with placements across visual surfaces like YouTube, Discover, and Gmail. First, open Google Ads and log into your account. Click Create, then choose Campaign. Now select your campaign objective. For demand gen campaigns, Google lists goals such as sales, website traffic, product and brand consideration, or creating a campaign without goal guidance. Choose the goal that best matches what you want. For example, choose sales if you want purchases, or website traffic if you want more visitors. Next, choose demand gen as the campaign type. Now enter your campaign name. After that, set your location, language, budget, and bidding strategy. Choose a budget you are comfortable testing with, especially if this is your first campaign. Next, set up your audience. You can use audience segments based on interests, website visitors, customer lists, or lookalike style audience options if they are available in your account. Now create your ad. Upload high-quality images or videos, add your logo, write headlines, descriptions, and choose the final landing page URL. Make sure your creative looks clean and matches the offer on your website. After that, review your campaign settings. Check your audience, budget, bidding, ads, and landing page. When everything looks correct, click Publish. After the campaign starts running, monitor impressions, clicks, conversions, cost per conversion, and creative performance. And that's it. You now know how to create a Google Ads discovery-style campaign using Demand General. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.